boom.
Hey guys, in this video I'll show you some of the uh, inbuilt presets that comes up with auto-tune effects and some of the knobs that what it does. I'm sure you know what it does already, but it just some of you might not. Anyway, so this is auto-tune effects, okay, and it is really dope so far. I've been using it for quite a while and it's really awesome. So yep, you have the input type, low, male, alto, I guess, instrument, and you can select the key from here, the scale, and you can select the format and auto-tune. If you just want format, you can click that. If you just want auto-tune, you can click that, or if you want both, you can click it. And this is the knob for actually selecting the effect. If you selected this much, this is the effect you're gonna have. If you select 100%, you can have the full effect of these knobs, okay. And yep, here it is, retune speed of the effect, and this is humanizer. So if you click I don't know, maybe this much, so when you use auto-tune, the people when listen to it, they won't be able to identify it that much that it is auto-tune, okay. But if you keep it that much, 0, it will definitely know that it's auto-tune. It's totally depends on individual how you use this. And yep, here's a little trick. Make sure you click this use low latency, okay, for you can have latency issues. Anyway, so yeah, here's a dry vocal that I've just recorded, and please guys, don't laugh at me, I'm not a vocalist or whatever. So here it is. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. So the auto-tune is disabled. Now if you enable it, this is how it's gonna sound. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. So you can play around with this knob, and yep, let's check this, the effects that are built by Antres. Let's click in here and let's, I don't know, extreme effects. Let's try this, okay.
Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop,
Love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. I like this multi effects templates more. It's not that distortion, totally depends on, like I said, on what kind of the mood of your track and the song. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Now let's check Jeff Rona. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Underwater. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down.
Sakatu had a little lollipop,
Love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop, love's gonna get you down. Sakatu had a little lollipop. So yep, these are the patches. You have a lot of it from the Antres as well as some of the producers, I guess, and you can play around and check it out. Anyway guys, I know you're being tired of hearing the same saka vocal. Anyway guys, thank you so much. Please make sure to comment, rate and subscribe. Peace, I'm out.
Fuck this shit, I'm out. Fuck this shit, I'm out. No thanks. Don't mind me, I'ma just grab my stuff and leave.